Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I am going to be talking about Sprout network. This particular airdrop is currently happening now. So if you want to get into this particular airdrop, you need to watch this video to the end. I'm going to explain all these things so that you'll be able to understand what you are expected to do. So Sprout network is an airdrop that was launched on this date, October 2025. That was when Sprout network was launched. Now, Sprout network is supported by Sprout, so that means they have their own blockchain. So, and their blockchain is called Sprout. Now, the key bonus for Sprout network, if you want to get bonus on the app, you need to refer somebody for you to be able to get bonus. Now, you can only join this particular airdrop by using my invitation code that I'm going to share on the screen. So just look at the screen, you can see my invitation code there. When you are signing in on the app, use my invitation code so that you can be able to get the referral bonus. And also, I'm going to talk about the how to get started. What you need to do, you need to go to, if you are using an Android phone, you go to Play Store. If you are using an Apple phone, you go to Apple Store and download Sprout network. You can see the name here, Sprout network. This is where you can get it. Apple Store and Google Play. That is where you can download Sprout network. Now, according to the current statistics of Sprout network, the circulating supply as I'm talking to you right now is 111,053,965 sprouts. That's the current circulating supply of Sprout network. Now, the key features you need to watch out in this app is your daily mining. The daily mining will require you to come into the app just like the same way you mine other coins. You need to come in and tap so that you can be able to start mining this app. You open your app and you click on the tap button, you can start mining this app. That's your daily task. Now, another key feature is referral system. You need to refer someone so that you can be able to get bonus, like I told you before, so that you can be able to get bonus. And another one again is the low resource use. Now, in Sprout network, it doesn't really consume much of your battery, it doesn't really consume much of energy. So all you just have to do is to make sure you come every day, make sure you tap and start mining. It doesn't consume a battery and it doesn't run on the background. It's only when you open the app that is when the app will start running. So even if you log out from the app, it's not going to be draining your battery. So it has a low resource use. Another one again, team earning. So if I refer you, you refer somebody, and another person refer somebody, all of us are going to be in a team and will be earning extra bonus. So that's one good thing about Sprout network. Another one again, like I told you, invite only. You can only join this airdrop by invite. So that is why I'm going to display my invite code on the screen. Make sure you use it to log into the app and start mining this particular airdrop. Remember, you are still early. You can see the number of circulating supply is very low, so you are still early on this. You can see the date here on October 2025. That is when this particular airdrop was launched. So you need to start mining Sprout network now, so that whenever this particular airdrop is launched, you will make money from it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.